Johnny, look! Johnny, don't put
Don't put him on his face.
They see fear.
Stop! Don't put it on his head.
Don't put it on his head. Don't put it on his head. Put it on his body. Oh my God! Look
How up so we can see how many birds there are?
Chad, you want to see the birds?
Stay still, okay?
Just stay still.
Don't scream.
They're not going to hurt you.
They're going to get you if you scream.
Chandler, hold on. Stay still. Chandler, stay still. Stay still. No, Chandler, stay there. They'll go in and get the pretzel. Back up, back up.
Oh
back
my
up. John, back up. John. Look, stay still, Chandler. Chandler, stay still.
Don't look at them. They can see the fear.
John, Chandler, stay still. Stay.
Stop throwing the food. Stop.
Oh, they like it. You can't move it, then they fly away. Like shit. I'm gonna get right on your face.
Whoa.
Your face too doesn't hurt.
Can you feel the air coming off their wings?
It's like sitting on your belly. Okay, Taylor, you can get up now.
Ready, go.
Go away.
Get up, Taylor, quick. Taylor, get up, hurry. There you go.
Go away, Bruce.
Boy, they're gonna attack you now. Oh my God, that's the funniest thing of my life. Funniest thing I've ever seen in my life.